person feel like that you are the achievement. This summer is going to be so beautiful for you. You're attracting the energies around you, everything, and you are ruling your own empire. Love with stability. You can't reverse that. If burning passion, do it. Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel, Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of March. Keep in mind that these readings are channel. This maybe resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Okay, Sagittarius, let's get started. What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? And we are having here this card fly from deck: Six of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, Ten of Cups. What are the Sagittarians feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Sagittarians feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here High Priestess, Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Two of Cups. What are the mutual energies? Sagittarius. We are having here Queen of Pentacles and Six of Cups. These are your cards and signs that could relate it to your person. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Two of Cups, Six of Cups, Seven of Cups, Ten of Cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Page of Wands, Six of Wands. Pisces with this High Priestess. Let's talk about your person's feeling first. And with the Six of Wands, this card almost escape from the deck. Six of Wands, it's like victory. It's about when you are favored, when your person feel like that you are the achievement, you are the victory for them, you are the lucky for them. And this person is victorious as well. This person gets some kind of victory over someone, and this is the reason you are also directly indirectly involved in this victory. You are the favorite one for this person. People likes you, and this person is victorious here, getting a victory over something. And this person right now a bit confused. There is a lot of confusion in this person's mind. A lot of things need to, it seem like a lot of things in front of them, and they don't know what should they choose. And it's Nine of Pentacles. They feel like that you are single and you are like in full of abundance and enjoying your abundance, and you want to have someone. If you want to commit to someone, you can have new love in your life. This person get a feel from you because you are single. You can have anyone. That's why you are plus your favorite people like you. People, whenever you step into a community, in a group, they likes you, they know that. And right now you are single, so you are attractive here, and you are like completely free and charm, and this is a good omen. If this person got a feel from you like you are single, so you can have new love if you want to. And also this person also wanna be with you because they think you are single, and then they can be with you because they feel Ten of Cups towards you. They feel like that you are perfect potential, complete potential partner. They feel from you like you are the potential partner for this person, and victory in this person, some kind of victory in this person, and this person feel victorious when they are with you. And you are single here and they want to be with you. A bit confusion in this person's mind. This person is confused about something, but one thing they surely know, that you are the perfect potential partner, and in your side you are a High Priestess. This is the first card in your chart. Mysterious. You are not opening up. Something is like you know about something, but you are not discussing about that thing, and you know what you want in your life. And there is a new love offer for you, Sagittarius. Beautiful. This March, this summer is going to be so beautiful for you. There is a new love. Someone definitely going to propose you, and you definitely hoping. This is a hope for you. Stability. This is what you are manifesting, and this is what you will get. Like a new love with stability. Someone definitely going to offer you their love, and this is a love messenger. And with this Page of Pentacles, this is something new, fresh passion waiting for you, Sagittarius. And someone is interested, and there is some kind of soulmate connection waiting for you. You want soulmate connection in your life, and yes, there is some kind of connection waiting for you, bonding. You are not looking toward this person, you are looking for new love. And yes, love is energies, you are attracting the energies around you, and there is definitely new love, and you know what you want, and you are manifesting on that, but you are not opening up, you are a secret here. And this person feels so comfortable when they are with you. You are real, you are not wearing any kind of mask here. And also there is some beautiful memories you are missing, some kind of memories, some kind of beautiful emotions in you. You are missing the good moments, the happy that give you smile, Sagittarius. Let's see what else we have for you. What's the outcome? What else we have for Sagittarius? What's the outcome we have for Sagittarius? And we are having here the Emperor, King of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. With this Emperor, you are the most, practical. This person feel like that you are practical, strict. Upcoming days, this person will feel that you are practical, you are strict, you are disciplined, and you are managing everything, and you are ruling your own empire. And yes, you are with this King of Pentacles totally stable on your ground, totally there is stability in you. You are so, and restrictions, some kind of healthy boundary you grow around you. And let's clarify this. Let's clarify this outcome. What's the meaning of this Eight of Cups in this position? What's the outcome? What's the meaning of this outcome in this position? And we are having here Ace of Pentacles. So disappointment. This person is going to disappoint because you want stability. The reason you are strict, the reason you are so, grounded and restriction and boundaries and healthy fence around you, because you want stability. And this person is walking in disappointment. They can't give you stability. This person is not stable with you. This person right now, they are walking from the beautiful emotions, and they are in disappointment and pessimistic way, because I think you want new love with stability. Page 2 and this Ace of Pentacles, you want stable love in your life, and you are putting some kind of healthy boundaries around you. And yes, nobody can force you and manipulate you now. You are now the Emperor. Nobody can manipulate you, nobody can play and trick you. So that's why you want new love in your life, and this person can't manipulate you. And that's why this person is walking in disappointment, and they know that you are the victory. There is some kind of victory in you, and this person is confused what should they do about you. And this Nine of Pentacles, you're free, you're single, it's your wish, it's your choice what you want to do, and you want new love in your life. But one thing they know, that you are the potential partner, you can have anyone you like. And yes, you are so looking straight forward for new love, and you are not opening up toward this person. Outcome, this person is disappointed because you want new, fresh, stable love in your life. Okay, let's see what should you avoid in this situation. What should you avoid in this situation? And we are having here Page of Cups. What should you do? What should you avoid? For more information. And we are having here Ace of Wands and Death. So emotion, this is definitely someone new, the immature and the unexperienced one, with this offering you their cup of love, their emotions. And yeah, there is someone offering you their feelings and their emotions and their love, and there is some kind of spark of energy switched on inside you. And there is some kind of burning passion. You will feel a burning passion inside you in upcoming days, and transformation. Things with this person is changed now. You can't, undone, you can't reverse that. Things change with this person. Transformation. So this is as it is. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. Sagittarius, what your angel? I am the angel of abundance. You will receive the money that you need, and God is in charge of how that will happen. Have faith. It's a beautiful message. It's like money abundance waiting for you, Sagittarius. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Listen music. Think about yourself and value yourself. Pray. Let her, let him go. These are few advice messages, and the summary of your reading is this person feel like that you are victorious, you are favorite, and you are single and potential partner. And this person is confused. What should they do now? And you are a mystery. You're looking for new love. You are looking for, hoping for new love, a soulmate connection, a bond. And this person is disappointed because you want stable new love, not from this person, from someone else, a new one. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.